In addition to having border dispute with India, China has always been very close to Pakistan in many aspects. China's aggressive postures in Ladakh, where the two armies are engaged in a standoff, has lasted for 2 months now. Now, with the latest update of China planning to supply 4 armed drones to Pakistan, India has to relook at its procurement plan of General Atomics Predator B or MQ-9 Reaper drones from United States. While the Indian Navy is already in negotiations with United States for an unarmed naval variant, it is being decided that an all-in-one attack drone with both surveillance and attack capabilities will make more sense given the current hostilities from the neighboring country on the eastern border. The medium-altitude long-endurance armed Predator B drone not only collects intelligence through surveillance but also locates and destroys the target with missiles or laser-guided bombs. The MQ-9 Reaper, which is also known as Predator B drone, is battle-proven in the Iraq, Afghanistan and Syrian theaters with the capability of carrying 4 Hellfire missiles and 2 500 pounds of laser-guided bombs. Now coming back to the China-Pakistan deal of drones, as per the latest update, looks like China is in process of supplying 4 armed drones to Pakistan, and this is mainly to protect its new base at Gwadar port. The Gwadar port is the deepest seaport of the world, situated on the Arabian Sea at Gwadar in Balochistan province of Pakistan, which is under the administrative control of the Maritime Secretary of Pakistan and operational control of the China Overseas Port Holding Company. The supply of 2 systems, which has 2 drones and a ground station, comes ahead of Beijing's plan to jointly produce the 48 GJ-2 drones, which is the military version of Wing Loong 2, which has been designed in China for use by Pakistan's Air Force. The thing which everyone knows is that China has already been selling the strike drone Wing Loong 2 to several countries in Asia and West Asia and has emerged as the largest exporter of armed drones. So for the future, Indian private sector companies on the outskirts of New Delhi are also in the process of developing the medium-altitude long-endurance drones for India, but the capacity to acquire the armed drones within country is somewhat very distance away. The DRDO also plans to produce the Rustom drone prototype by end of this year. So as of now, looks like we need to expedite the procurement of MQ-9 Reaper drones or the Predator B drones from United States as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a